Hi guys, good morning. This is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. It is very early. I wanted to get a DIY out to you guys today, and it's going to be a blinged out one. Guys, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. I hope that you will like the video that we do today and decide to become a subscriber. If you do like the video, I hope that you'll give me a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. Guys, this is going to be a fun and beautiful DIY. It's going to be quick because there is not a whole lot to do. So what you'll need for this project is diamond wrap, you'll need silver, you will need gold, you will need the foam board, spray paint, and I hauled these. Aren't these cute? I hauled these from the Dollar Tree. They are adorable. You need scissors, glue gun, and glue sticks. You will also need a placemat. Now, I shared with you guys on my Tuesday morning coffee and tea with Faithlyn. I hope you guys are checking that out on Tuesdays. I love spending that time with you guys. I share a haul, and this was a part of the haul, and I think I forgot to mention how much it was. It's $6.99 from Ross, and it's absolutely beautiful and perfect for the summer. So it has a lot of beading work on there, but they only had one, so there is no way I can use it for a tablescape. So I decided I would use it for a home decor, which I think will be awesome. It's very heavy because it has a lot of beads on it. So you will need a placemat of your choice, whatever it is you want to use. And I think for home decor, it's perfect because it's only $7. Okay, so I went ahead and spray painted my board. I first started with the lime green and covered the entire board, and I didn't want to go with circles. I wanted to have the contrast of the rectangle and the circle. So I spray painted the entire foam board lime green, and then I went back over it to give a shadow effect of the darker green. So you can see that cloudy look on there. That's what I was going for. And then just left the center. Now some of the dark green got into the center of the lime green, but that's no problem because I knew we were going to add the diamond wrap. So what we're going to do now, let's get that out of the way, is because this is a longer process, I went ahead and add my diamond wraps, but I saved some. I need to fix my shirt. I saved some so that I could do it with you guys. So let's get started on this project. You lay your glue down. And you're going to work slowly because you want to make sure your circle is as even as you can possibly get it. So you lay your glue down, you put your diamond wrap down, and you push it against the other diamond wrap. Lay your glue down. Slowly in a circle. Just like that. So I'm going to do that all the way around, and then I will come back and we'll move to the next part of this project. So I'm finished, and I have the ends that is very thin, and I want to go ahead and start on that side with my gold. So you guys know I do love mixing metal and colors, so that's what I'm doing with this as well. Most projects will have mixed colors that I do, because I do like having the contrast. Even my wedding band is the same. It's gold and silver blend. I just love the combo. Alright, so this is what it's going to look like. I'm going to add 3 strips of these, and I must tell you that one of the reasons why, if you're wondering why am I doing them 1 strip at a time, it is easier to maneuver the diamond wrap when it's in single form versus if I did it in a bulk. If I did it with more than 1 strips, it would be, I think it's more difficult to maneuver it than if it was single. So that's one reason why it takes longer, but it's much easier. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead, do that, and come back and show you. So guys, I did go ahead and add the diamond wrap to the board. I love that. I think it's beautiful. I hope you guys can see it. I don't know if, can you see that? That's all blinged out. I love, love, love. So now we're going to go to the next step. We're going to, I think I want it this way. Find the center of the circle, and you can choose to cover the entire board with diamond wrap, but I don't want to. I would like to have some of the green showing. So, for example, this is what the board will look like. So I'm going to go ahead, be careful with finding the center. I'm having a hard time making sure it's even. That looks fairly even to me, I think. Okay, I think that's fairly centered. So what I want to do now is raise it up and add glue. And put a generous amount of glue down. And I'm going to maneuver it all the way around, and I'll be back so I don't run out of time. So I'm going to flip this over I guess it would be nice to remove the tag. Okay, so I'm going to flip this over. I want to center my diamond wrap onto the back of this. I've not done this before, so I do want to try it to see how it would work. I've not done it with the diamond wrap, but I've done it with the cord. A couple of my hanging wall arts I've had hung with rope in the back before, but not with the diamond wrap. So I don't know how well the diamond wrap will hold. I'm sure it should work the same, so we'll find out together. It's not breakable, so if it falls down, it's no big deal. At least we'll test it out and see. Okay, so this is what it looks like in the back. Alright, I think I've got it as centered as I can. Put it on the wall, come back and show it to you. Okay guys, this is how it turned out. I absolutely love the tropical look of this. I hope you guys do too. If you do, give me a thumbs up, share with your family and friends. If you're not a subscriber, I hope that you will decide to become a subscriber. This was a fun and easy project, and I thank you guys so much for watching it and participating. Leave me a message. I truly look forward to your messages. Love communicating with you guys and getting your feedback. All right, I will talk to you soon on my next DIY.